One of the questions that I get asked so often is, how do you keep that loving energy alive? How do you keep self-love alive in your life? One of the things that I know we all deal with is, those negative conversations, those things that we say to ourselves sometimes, like, I'm so stupid, or I'm ugly, or I can't do it, or whatever. Now, it's great. Sometimes, there is an opportunity to call your coach or to call a girlfriend and you can get yourself sorted out. But how do you handle it in those times when you don't even feel like calling anyone, when you don't even feel like reaching out, or when you do reach out and someone's not available? Well, one of the things that I like to do is, rather than wait until those situations actually pop up, actually be proactive. And how you do that is actually by creating in your day what I call a designated self-love action. A designated self-love action is an action that you create specifically for yourself to connect with your true self. And when you do this, what happens is you anchor yourself. You create a solid foundation for the rest of your day. You actually get to be in control of how you have people come into your life or how you have situations come into your life, simply by the kinds of conversations that you have with yourself. So let me give you some examples. One of the things that I do for myself as a designated self-love action is I do a gratitude journal. Every single morning, without fail, I get up and I consciously say thank you for my life, for everything that I have in my life, and I specifically declare what it is that I want to attract into my life for the day. What kind of day do I want to have? I say what kind of day I want to have. The other thing that I also do is I go to the gym. Now, don't get me wrong. I know what it's like. We all kind of hate going to the gym unless we're like a gym buff or something like that. But I gotta be honest with you. I went from being someone who never, ever, ever went to the gym to being someone who now goes to the gym 6 days a week. And what I found is that when I do yoga, when I do Tai Chi, when I really work out my body, it gives me this amazing experience of just being able to connect with myself, giving me an opportunity to feel great. And I do that in the morning so that I'm literally launched into the rest of my day inside of that self-loving energy and that loving action. So that's one of the things that I would absolutely recommend for you if you're someone who wants to have more of an experience of loving yourself and feeling great from the beginning of your day to the end of the day, and being someone who can powerfully blast through those kinds of negative conversations that we all, face or struggle with. I promise you that when you start your day with a designated self-love action, when you actually start your day with yourself, creating a relationship with yourself, that you will have a solid foundation. And when situations come up, or when people, you attract situations that are not, something that you wanted, you won't get bogged down by that, or the rest of your day won't be ruined or destroyed by that. You'll totally just have the power to just blast right through it. And here's the other thing that you will find. I'll tell you the truth, okay, about this. When you actually take on creating a powerful relationship with yourself and loving yourself, you have more people in your life who love you and less people in your life who come around you who really don't, or who have that kind of energy that brings you down or stops you or just makes you feel crappy. So you will find that all kinds of people will just clear out of your life, the ones that bring you down. Okay? So I hope that this video has been very helpful for you, and that not only does it inspire you, but that it actually has you tomorrow start taking on actions that reconnect you to yourself. Start taking on designated self-love actions, and you will attract more love into your life, and you will, with the relationships that you already have, feel more connected and feel more alive. You'll just feel so good. I know this, okay, because I live this. So thank you so much for watching. Please share this if it's made a difference for you. And happy self-loving and loving epically ever after.